So how the patient with the acute pancreatitis clinically present? The typical presentation is abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting and fever. What are the characteristics of the abdominal pain? Patients typically have epigastric pain. This epigastric pain radiates to the back of the patient. It worsens when patient is in the supine position. So most of the patients with the acute pancreatitis basically try to sit and lean forward to improve their pain. Because of the inflammation, they can develop the fever. So when you do the general physical examination of a patient, the first thing you see the appearance. The patient can be well with a mild acute pancreatitis. It can be gravely ill with profound shock, toxicity and confusion in the cases of severe acute pancreatitis. The second thing you do is basically vitals, and many patients are tachypneic, they have a tachycardia, there can be possibility of hypotension in the severe acute pancreatitis. There are possibility in the 76% of the cases they will be having a high temperature, but temperature can be normal, temperature can be low, especially in the cases when they have a multi-organ failure. The third important thing on the examination is the icterus, the jaundice, which is present in 28% of the patients. Basically this occurs in a gallstone pancreatitis or due to the edema of the pancreatic head. Overall, patient can have a pallor, cold, clammy skin, diaphoresis and dehydration when the patients have a severe acute pancreatitis. 10 to 20% of the patients can have a chest findings, like most of them have a left pleural effusion. They can have a pulmonary crepitations or a relactasis. When you do abdominal examination, there will be a rigidity, tenderness in the epigastric region. There's a possibility the bowel sounds are diminished or absent on auscultation. When you palpate the epigastric region, there can be a palpated pseudocyst, which is a complication of acute pancreatitis. If the pancreatitis is very severe and necrotizing, then there are possibility you will get the colon sign, Turner sign or the Fox sign. What are these signs? I'll show you the pictures. See, this is the colon sign. There is a purplish bluish discoloration. Basically this is a hemorrhagic kind of purpura which is present around the umbilicus. This will be considered as a colon sign. When this purplish grayish discoloration is present in the flank region, then it will be called as a Gray Turner sign. And Fox sign is when this purplish discoloration is present below the inguinal ligament. It is considered as a Fox sign. These all signs are basically telling us that a severe necrotizing pancreatitis has occurred.